Hi everyone, today we're back at Spirit Halloween. This is the Port Coquitlam Spirit Halloween location, and we're going to be checking all over the place this year because there's more merchandise and animatronics coming in every week. Let's go inside and see what they've got. Now open.
Just for you, behold your resting place for eternity.
Once again entering the Spirit Halloween factory, except this time 68 days to Halloween. Let's head through the chains. Little strobe light set up. And this is something I didn't notice before. Look at this. The floor is lava. Look at that. Can you see that moving? It's actually moving as I step on it. Walking on lava. Cool. And the skeleton crew working the Carvomatic. There they go, pumpkins in, jack-o'-lanterns out. Hard at work at the Carvomatic. And remember, don't put your hand in chompers. Over in the Spirit Halloween factory, there's the crews hard at work. Look out! Jumping spider! So this location has a new guy that we didn't see before. This is the Night Stalker. Looks like a classic scarecrow setup. Let's give him a try. That Night Stalker is sadistically creepy. I like him. Over in research and development, here's the blueprint. Although this one has Spirit Halloween clipboard. There's the space station / zombie apocalypse. Looks like these are designs from other years. A little visit with my buddy Sam here. Trick or treat, Sam. Sam, you're always so pleasant. You're so happy. And if that's not good enough for you, you can actually dress up as Sam for Halloween. Check this out. This is a full-size latex mask there. Get one of the Sam lollipops. I don't know where I'd get the orange jumpsuit. I'm assuming, oh, there they have them. And you could be Sam for Halloween. Thinking though that I would be a lot taller than this guy over here. I'd be a 6-foot tall Sam, not a 4-foot tall Sam. Trick or treat home decor. Look at this, is a cool little countdown calendar. Number of days until Halloween. Got a journal down there. This awesome trick or treat. This is very 3D. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a trick or treat photograph with some creepy costumes in there. And down here, look at that. You could have Sam decorating your house all year long. Little cushion. And we saw Headless Jack last time too.
The ground just for you. Behold your resting place for eternity.
That's awesome. He's done all the work for me. I don't even have to dig my own grave. Who's this hiding in the window? Ah! Over there! Not over there. Over there. She got me this time. Never know which way the Hauntress is gonna pop out at us.
And a couple different styles of Michael Myers masks, both from the newer Rob Zombie Halloween movie and the original William Shatner-based version of the Halloween mask.
And I have to stop by to see the Nightcrawler, one of my favorite animatronics from last year. And they've dropped the price on the sitting Scarecrow. He used to be, now we're in Canada, remember, so this is Canadian pricing, but they were $199 Canadian, dropped to $129 Canadian. And that's going to be a pretty reasonable little prop. I always like the fast action on this one, the way the head whips up. It's quite a good little scare, especially when you're getting lured in to get some of that tasty candy.
You better watch out, or I'm gonna whack you over the head, too. Oh, please, come a little closer. Yeah.
Good to see you too, Wacky Mole. Spirit Halloween just opened up this week, so they've got lots more merchandise on the way. Looks like they're expecting a big shipment of demon dolls. It's always fun to check out the wall of masks. We've got a sloth up there. But the one that jumps out at me is this wicked Scarecrow. I like the detailing in that. It's got some hay poking out there. Pretty wicked looking face. Very gnarled face poking out from behind the burlap. That's a good mask right there. I like that one. That's supposed to be a Beetlejuice mask right there. This guy here is from Rob Zombie's horror movies. And up here, this is a cool looking skeleton. Wearing a baseball cap. No, I guess it's a skull cap. Always gotta love a Halloween pun. This must be new this year. This is a Toon Squad jersey from Space Jam: A New Legacy. Movie just came out about a month ago, so they're already ready for Halloween. Looks like a good quality little jersey, actually. Little breathable material. Awesome. Last stop, we have to say goodbye to Wraith. This is another one of the new animatronics for this year. Looks like they're already in and stocked up, ready to go. I'm sure we'll see you again soon. Thanks again for watching. I hope you're enjoying getting a head start on the Halloween season. Remember to keep exploring, and until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.